I want you to get really clear on actually, you know, who is that person? What do they behave like? How do they act like? What have they let go? And there's some questions I'd like you to I'd encourage you to ponder on. So first question is, how would you describe the new version of you necessary to effortlessly achieve all of your dreams and goals? And try to describe that character in 3 sentences or less. What skills and strengths does this new character need to have in order to effortlessly execute your plan and achieve it with ease? So write those down. And then, what bad habits is this new character free of that the new one possesses? So what bad habits is this new character free of that the current one possesses? And what are the fears this new character is free of that the current one possesses? So if it's things like you're worried that money's going to run out, or that you're not going to bill anymore, or that you're going to lose clients, whatever it is, you want to write that down, because that is what you want to be working on, just letting go. Okay, and the other question is, what traits does this new character have? So for example, are they driven? Are they calm? Are they focused? Are they caring? You know, what is this new character? What traits do they have? And again, I would encourage you to write those down. That is what you want to be focusing on. So it's almost like every day, it's almost like you physically imagine you're stepping into this person, and you're then acting as if, I've got this stone here, be the change. So yeah, if you actually, it is almost like the fake it till you make it thing, but actually when you truly embrace that new persona, that new person, and you start to behave as them, and you start to think differently, you start to feel differently, it then becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You actually become that person.